How to use your embosser. Embosser assembly. To do this, locate the lock switch on the side of the embosser and slide it to the unlock position. Next, lift the handle and gently remove the die. The top of the die has one big notch and the bottom has four smaller rectangular notches. Insert the die until the top and bottom notches click into place. Now your embosser is ready to use. You can now start embossing and leave a lasting impression. Using your embosser. Simply insert your desired medium between the die plates and press down. Avoid pressing down too hard so your paper does not tear. Your embosser works best on 20-pound paper or on our foil seal stickers. To store your embosser, simply remove the die, slide it out from the body, lift the handle, and insert into the back of the body. Finally, place your embosser into the included leather pouch.